more than 1,700 years of history, the Roman Wall of Lugo is the only complete one in the world. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 2000, thousands of people enjoy the more than 2 kilometers of perimeter that surround the historic downtown of the 2,000-year-old city of Lucus Augusti every day. Through conversations and testimonies in several languages, we will learn what this historic Roman monument means to people who were able to admire it up close. Welcome to Lugo Muralla Única. You arrived to Lugo 4 years ago. Which was your first impression seeing the wall?
I was amazed because in the US we don't have anything like this, you know, it's unlike anything you can find. In the US the buildings are modern. It's just, for me it was incredible, like wow.
And you travel around Europe and you've never seen something like the wall?
Yeah, I've seen things a little similar but not the size that you have here and not complete like this one, so incredible.
Other one thing that is amazing in the wall is to see as many people enjoying the monument. It's very social, very useful to do sports. Do you used to come to the wall?
Yeah. I used to run when I was in high school and college, so sometimes I go run a few laps around the wall. So cool. You'd never say that in the US. Oh, I'm just going to run a few laps around the wall. A Roman wall that's really, really old and incredible, very historical.
Someone from the US told me that it was amazing for him to walk around the wall and feeling the Roman history as he read before in the books.
Yes, it is. It's like really living it and being there in the moment.
Now we are in one of the oldest doors of the wall. We have 10 doors or gates. 5 of them are original from the Roman times and 5 of them are new, let's say, from the 19th or the 20th century. In fact, this door, the name is Porta Falsa, fake door, because during a lot of time was closed, but it's one of the oldest doors of the wall. I didn't tell you that this is the only Roman complete wall in the world, but also the oldest wall complete in the world. The wall is 1,700 years old, so 17 centuries of history, something amazing. And I like to be with you here in this door because this is the neighborhood of my mom. She grew up here. My grandparents had a cafe here, Café Bar Europa. So it's a part of the wall that is personal for me, something personal. So after 4 years living in Lugo, which are your feelings about the wall?
For me, the wall is something very special, and I feel very proud and lucky to live in a city with an ancient Roman wall, to walk by every day. I love it. I think it's really incredible. And I also love the history that you find here, especially in Galicia in general. I don't know, I just identify, I guess, a little bit with it too, the Galician history. I love the culture, the dancing, the music, the language. Everything for me is incredible, and the wall just brings it all together.
You told me that you are learning Galician.
Sí, è verdade. Levo un anno aprendendo falar galego. Encanta-me muito. I think it's important if you live in a place that has another language to learn the language, and especially when it's a beautiful one like Galician.
Yeah, it's the best way to integrate in the culture, in the city.
Exactly, yeah, really be a part of it. Everyone should come visit Lugo and experience this one-of-a-kind wall, the only complete Roman wall in the world.